Sometimes space sends us strangers, not satellites, not comets born from our sun, but real wanderers, fragments from another star system, just passing through. This one's called 3I, ETLAS, and it's the third confirmed interstellar object ever found. It's fast, unpredictable, and already rewriting what we thought we knew about how crowded our galaxy really is. Let's talk about it. July 1st, 2025. A telescope from the Atlas survey in Chile catches a faint moving dot. At first, nothing special, one more piece of cosmic debris. But its orbit didn't fit. The numbers refused to close. Its speed was insane, around 58 kilometers per second relative to the Sun. That's hyperbolic velocity, meaning it's not orbiting our Sun, it's flying through. That's the first clue it wasn't from here. Astronomers ran simulations, cross-checked observations, and confirmed it. The orbit doesn't bend back. It keeps going. This thing came from the void between stars. They named it 3I. Atlas 3I for the third interstellar visitor. Atlas for the survey that spotted it. Before this, we only had Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. Now, this one's big. Imagine a cosmic slingshot. 3-1. ETLAS is cutting across our solar system on a one-time route, diving in, swinging near the Sun, then vanishing forever. Its closest approach to the Sun about 1 point for astronomical units, or roughly 210 million kilometers. Closest to Earth, around 1.8 astronomical units. So no, it won't light up the sky like a comet show. Still, it's the most detailed look we've ever had at something. Born outside the Sun's influence, it's currently heading toward perihelion, its nearest point to the Sun, and every telescope that can move is aimed at it. NASA's solar probes, Mars orbiters, even ground stations across Europe and Asia. Everyone's watching this alien rock make its brief cameo. Here's the weird part. 3I ETLAS acts like a comet. It's got a tail, a coma, that faint halo of gas. But the gases coming off aren't typical. Early data shows it's rich in carbon dioxide, way more than we usually see in our comets, which lean toward water ice. That difference hints it formed under a colder, darker star, maybe one smaller or older than our Sun. This isn't just a rock, it's a frozen time capsule from another solar nursery. Think about that. Every dust grain, every molecule evaporating off its surface was built somewhere light years away. Interstellar objects like this flip the script. For centuries, we thought our solar system was sealed. Turns out, we're on an open highway. Planetary systems throw debris into space all the time. Asteroids, comets, shattered planets, they drift between stars for billions of years. And sometimes, one crosses ours. Oumuamua showed us that interstellar debris exists. Borisov proved it's not a fluke. 3-1. ETLAS. It proves it's common, statistically. There's probably always one interstellar object inside our solar system right now, just too faint to see. That's how busy our galaxy is. Not empty, not silent. It's full of travelers like this, remnants of other worlds. The moment Atlas confirmed it, the global space community went full beast mode. Teams from NASA, ESA, JAXA, everyone pointed their scopes. Why? Because it's a one-time shot. Once it leaves, it's gone forever. Spectroscopy, imaging, thermal readings, they're breaking down what its surface reflects, what gases it spits out, what its spin looks like. Every detail can tell us about its home system. Some early models show a slightly elongated shape, maybe a few kilometers long. And there's talk that it's denser than Borisov, but less shiny than Oumuamua. Basically, a middle ground between a rock and a dirty ice ball. But the mystery part, its brightness doesn't match its size, meaning it's either darker than expected or has a weird shape reflecting light unevenly. Scientists love questions that break their equations. 3-1. ETLAS does that. Where did it come from? What kind of star system threw it out? One idea says it could be a rogue comet from a red dwarf system. ejected after a planet's orbit shifted. Another it's a leftover chunk from a shattered exoplanet's icy crust. Both fit the chemistry. And yeah, of course, there's the fun crowd, the people whispering alien tech again. But most experts agree. It's just nature doing its chaotic thing. Still, the fact that we can't fully explain everything about it. That's the magic. Space isn't here to make sense. It's here to remind us how small we still are. Few research groups even asked could we chase it. Sadly, no, it's too late. By the time it was confirmed Interstellar, it was already deep inbound, traveling faster than any rocket we could send. Even our fastest probes like the Parker Solar Probe wouldn't catch up. But this miss is a wake-up call, because scientists are building plans for the next one. Concept missions like Comet Interceptor by ESA are designed to sit and wait ready to launch instantly when the next interstellar object is spotted. The idea is, don't chase it after, be ready before. When that day comes, we might finally get close-up images, actual samples, real proof of what another star's leftovers look like. 3-1. ETLAS is more than a comet. It's a message, a reminder that the universe is alive with motion. Every time we stare into the dark, something out there is moving toward us, passing by and slipping back into the cold. Think of it like a traveler brushing past on a crowded street. No words exchanged, just a silent reminder you're not alone. For billions of years, objects like this have crossed paths with other worlds, maybe even carried fragments of chemistry that one day seeded life. We'll never know what secrets this one holds, but it proves something powerful. We're part of a much bigger neighborhood than we ever imagined. Soon, 3i Atlas will fade back into deep space. No fireworks, no explosion. Just silence. A ghost from another sun, leaving as quietly as it came. And we'll keep watching, because somewhere out there, another wanderer's already on its way, one we haven't seen yet. Maybe next time, we'll be ready. This is Stardust Stories, and this was the tale of 3i ETLAS, the Interstellar Drifter. See you in the next one. Until then, keep your eyes up.